Do you struggle with inefficiencies when collaborating externally? Most would probably say yes to that. What about collaborating with internal stakeholders? You might be surprised that again, the majority will still say yes to that. This has become acceptable, but why? Why don't we expect more? For Fusion 360 users, collaborating couldn't be easier. Cloud-based data tends to do that. By centralizing all designs, design changes, comments, and markups, it's easy to manage the progress of your projects. Speaking about managing, you can similarly manage users, project access, and more from anywhere at any time on a web browser or mobile device. Stop accepting that because your CAD tools can solve complex problems, that collaboration also needs to be complex. With Fusion 360, you have CAD, CAM, CAE, and add another C to that list, collaboration, all with ease. See how Fusion Team will help you connect, communicate, and collaborate.